Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all been doing great. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my own facial butter as a moisturizer and body butter, which you can also use for your hair. The main ingredient is going to be shea butter. The video is going to be divided into two parts. The first part is the facial moisturizer and the second part is the body butter. So let's get into it.
I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to.
Facial moisturizer using shea butter. So I have a cup of shea butter. I have jasmine oil, vitamin E oil, rose oil, also tea tree oil. So we are going to be whipping our shea butter using a mixer. A cup of shea butter into a bowl. So shea butter in a bowl. I'm going to be using half teaspoon as measurements. So going in first with a vitamin E oil, our jasmine oil, rose oil, and tea tree oil. So the benefits of those oils: using my hand mixer. You can use a wooden spoon or a spatula, but I'm using a hand mixer, which is easier and way faster. All you're doing is just whipping in air into the mixture to make it nice and airy. So real quick, rose oil, it helps prevent blemishes and acne and helps with the appearance of damaged skin without clogging the pores. And finally, here's the end results, looking fluffy and nice, all whipped up. Next up is the body butter, which you can use for your body and hair. Here I have a cup of shea butter, half cup of coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and finally extra virgin olive oil. Shea butter and coconut oil is already in the mixing bowl. I'm going to be adding olive oil next. The quantity of olive oil you add is up to you, but I prefer to add half, maybe a quarter of a cup, these amounts. Next, I'm going to be adding vitamin E oil, half tablespoon, actually 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Using my hand mixer, you can use a wooden spoon or a spatula, but I'm using a hand mixer, which is easier and way faster. All you're doing is just whipping in air into the mixture to make it nice and airy, to make it extremely fluffy. I'm going to be mixing for about 5 minutes. You can see soft peaks forming and it's becoming airy and fluffy. The color has also changed. If you've noticed, it's a bit white now, more on the white side instead of on the yellow side. Now you know you're getting there. The final result, it is nice looking, fluffy, it is lightweight, easily absorbed, and melts to touch. You can use it for your hair, any part of your body, especially the knees and elbow. Thank you guys for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.